Alright guys, so I wanted to make a video to show you how to make a PDF file of your test so you can submit them in Google Classroom. Okay, so this is my first period Spanish 1, but it's pretty much the same thing for all of my classes. So I'm going to click on the first assignment, which is cognates. Then let's pretend I already went through my flashcards, my learn, my the right part and spell, and then I'm going to move on to test. So when I have this here, right here underneath print test, you'll have a little box that says more options. So I'm going to click on more options. Here it gives you a choice of written, matching, multiple choice, true or false questions. And then you have your question limit. So depending on how long or how many terms are in a set, I will let you know how many questions does your test need to include. For now, it's only 20 questions, so I want all 20 questions to be included. So I am going to click on create test. So that will be my test. So once you're done completing your test, you have to click on check answers. So obviously I did not answer any of the questions, so this is my grade. So let's say this was 100. So I am going to click on print test, and I am going to save this as a PDF. And save it. And you can name this anything that you want. So in this case, I am going to label this Quizlet Cognates. And it's been saved. So next, I have to submit this in Google Classroom so Mr. Marla can give you a grade. Okay, so to submit my PDF, I am going to go to my assignment, and we're going to pretend that this is your Quizlet assignment. This is the only way that that I'm able to show you guys what you guys are supposed to do. So where it says your work, I'm going to click on add or create. And then I'm going to wait for Google Drive to work. So if you're in recent, it'll be here. You can also upload it, and you can hit browse, and then you can look for it for your PDF. But in my case, it's easier to go to recent. And here you go, Quizlet Cognates PDF. And I submit it. And then you're done. Then I'll be able to see your grade. You're going to click on turn in. And that's all.